Hi, welcome to our Slimbox lab. Slimbox is a smart packaging solution that allows you to create packaging perfectly fitting for every kind of product you can imagine in the quantity you want. In our software, we have different kind of packaging, for example, for big stuff, uglies, but also for like more fragile products. And if you want to package, for instance, a book, this is one of the fragile packaging problems because you've got these corners that could be damaged in transport. Therefore, I'm going to show you how to work with a Fefco 400, but the protective version. So if you scroll through the different kind of boxes we offer in the catalog, you find it here. Just click on this box, and then you find it is put right here on the page. The only thing you have to do here is to add the dimensions and send it to the queue, and our Slimbox machine will start cutting it right behind me. And I'll show you how we do the packaging right now. This is how it comes out of the machine, so it's quite easy, it's quite fast. Put it on the corrugated. You fold it over, and the book is well protected. Add a little glue. That's all. And this book can be sent to a new customer. An extra advantage or an option you can choose also in our software is to give this product an extra wrap around it. So then you have like 2 or 3 layers of corrugated, and it will mean that your book or whatever you want to send, the fragile item you want to send, will be protected like never before. As a conclusion, we can simply state that this Fefco 400 Protective is a great way to package your fragile items. The construction and the closure of this box, of this packaging, is super fast and easy. And as a second point, you can optimize the protection as you want. You can choose, for instance, to add an extra wrap, but you can also choose the size of the buffers at the side. The only negative point about this box is that it is not really suited for high products. Thank you very much for listening. See you next time.